Hi, I'm Matt Burns, Technical Marketing Manager at Samtec. Today we're going to be looking at a live demonstration combining Microchip's Meta-DX1 family of Ethernet PHYs with Samtec's popular QSFP-DD front panel I/O interconnect. Meta-DX1 is a 1.2 terabit per second Ethernet PHY with long-reach 56G PAM4 SerDes and features such as MACsec encryption, Flex-E, and nanosecond level PTP timestamping accuracy. With support for Ethernet rates from 1 to 400 gigabit, 48 SerDes, and integrated crosspoint, Meta-DX1 enables a wide range of connectivity in a single hardware design. Samtec's double-density flyover QSFP cable systems provide improved signal integrity and architectural flexibility using Samtec flyover technology, which routes the signals above a lossy PCB using co-extruded ultra-low skew twin-acts for improved bandwidth and reach. In this demo, 56 gigabit per second PAM4 data routes from the Meta-DX1 PHY via 12 inches of precision RF cable assemblies to 2.4 millimeter compression mount jacks on an SI evaluation board for Samtec's Accelerate slim direct attach cable assemblies. The signals route through 28 inches of 34 gauge Samtec iSpeed ultra low skew twin-ax cable to a Samtec double density flyover QSFP-DD MSA front panel cage and connector. This emulates real-world mid-board to front panel connections. The signals route to a 400 gigabit per second QSFP-DD loopback testing module, then return through another 28 inches of twin-ax cable to the Accelerate connector. Next, the signals route through the BCB to 2.4 millimeter compression jacks, another 12 inches of precision RF cable before finally returning to the Microchip Meta-DX1 PHY for analysis. The total length of the signal path is roughly 2 meters, and the results are very impressive. Notice the BER of the total channel. The eye diagrams are wide open. As a point of reference, the entire signal loss is roughly 20 dB. Industry-leading ICs like the Microchip Meta-DX1, combined with products like Samtec's QSFP-DD cable solutions, provide an ideal proof of concept for front panel data center communication system architectures. For more information on the Microchip Meta-DX1 family, please visit microchip.com/meta-dx1. For more information on Samtec's front panel I/O interconnect, please visit samtec.com or email our technical experts at sig@samtec.com. Have a great day and thanks for listening.